In this video, we'll show you how to become a copy trading provider. In the copy trading menu, choose Become a Manager. You will be redirected to the social trading register. Introduce your credentials. Choose the server and copy the details of your account number, as well as the password you received via email upon creating your account. Choose a nickname. Carefully review and accept the terms and conditions and click on Register. In the home page, click on Providers and start editing your strategy by clicking on the double angle bracket. Once you can see the settings, pick the general information of your strategy, such as your nickname and a short description of the trading strategy. Save your changes. You can choose whether to hide or share your stop-loss settings, as well as the strategy mode. Next, make sure your account is correct. You can create public or private offers and set your performance fees with their corresponding interval. Finally, create a join link with your preferred settings, which you can copy and share as you please.